Old school. Gasolina. Onto the forest of disappearing children. That's what it used to be called in the 50s, because apparently kids used to disappear in our forest. It's pretty creepy. So we reached the old decommissioned ranger station. It's not too far. We're on the upper Big Tujunga road. And I believe that's Veeder, or one of these behind us. Anyways, I'm gonna go check out and explore down this way, see what I find. This sign used to be right here. Can't remember the name of it, but obviously when I get home, I'll look that up for you guys. And then so the gate is definitely locked, and this is completely abandoned. Let's go see what the sign says over here. Warning, construction zone ahead, unauthorized entry discouraged. Ruins didn't seem too far away from the road, but I'm looking at it now, it does seem kind of far. That's where I'm coming from. Not too far. Alright, so we're at some split here. I think this is where the old ranger station used to be at. Once I get over there, I'll show you guys. Cool thing is there's another road that leads you down somewhere that way. I've been down that way. Well, I've driven past that way many times, and I'm gonna go check it out sometime. I have more time. Today I only got about an hour of daylight, so we're gonna go explore over here. This little running creek here at this old abandoned ranger station. Let's come and check it out over here. That's pretty cool. Sneaky. I think we should stealth camp over here, dude. Alright, so this seems where the old station used to be at. So I'm gonna explore around here a bit, see what I find. Parking spots over there, and some high voltage stuff. Maybe the buildings were over there. If anybody knows, let me know. Here is where probably some of the buildings were at, because I see some tubes and some weird stuff. But it's beautiful here. Go check out that area down that way. More foundation, more buildings here probably. Must have been cool over here. This is high voltage, so I'm not even gonna try to go in there. So check out what I find over this way. Damn, this area must have been beautiful before the fire. So it seems like there's a road that takes you all the way down that way over there. I'll go check it out a bit and see what I find, at least to that bend over there. It's definitely beat up, mudslides and whatnot. It's beautiful down there. I don't know if you guys see it. See that? It's beautiful down there. It's windy as hell. It seems to capture the valley below. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's cold too. It's beautiful views over here. It's beautiful views over here. I'm gonna take some pictures though. I'm gonna keep exploring for a little bit, see what I find, and see where the hell this takes me. So as far as I can tell, this keeps going up. So I'm trying not to hike in the dark or run into Sasquatch. There's always something eerie about abandoned places. Getting weird vibes. I feel like that time I went to the Girl Scout campground, the YMCA, and I'm walking down back to my car somewhere around this time too. And what I start hearing is little girls laughing. And I'm not gonna lie, it tripped me out. So what did I do? I hightail out of there. So all I hear is just cars today.